Morning guys, it's a beautiful day for detecting today. I've been digging hard and look at that. Not sure what that is. It's got some markings on it. I think it says GP or something. Big heavy lump. As you can see, I'm just finding junk. Anyway, this next one was a decent signal, but I seem to have found the junky part of the field. Let's see what this is. It's just there, somewhere. Nope, that's a stone. It's definitely near somewhere. Hold on, I'll just get the spade in, move some soil about. Moved a bit of soil about, still none the wiser. Is that it? Gosh, what's that? Get some gloves on. Oh, yuck, what's coming out of it? 100 years worth of mucky water. I thought it was a little cannonball at first. This is a bit of an iffy signal. In terms of sort of the tones, a bit of sort of clipped, bouncy tone. Maybe because it was quite deep. It is a little coin, I'm not sure what it is. Maybe a halfpenny. It's not completely toasted. Maybe get something off that later. Found out why that coin was giving off a funny tone, because it was there's a big lump of iron, so it's doing its best to separate the iron from the good tone. Not bad really. You just got to listen carefully, I guess. Let's just get this little ladybird out. There it fly off. Where is it? Oh, it's there, look. Go on then. Get yourself off. Hey dude, I'm absolutely shattered, but those brilliant high tone signals which you occasionally get, just driving me on. Just searching for the next one. So far this morning, this is what I found. Including a coin, I'm not sure what it is. Old penny, I think. Some sort of handle. Wow. Usual ring pulls. It's a bit of a slog because the grass is long, but you know, good signals, they sometimes push through the grass, long grass, don't they? What's this? I think it might be a knife. stainless steel bits, nice and well preserved. The wood handle is falling off. Okay, let's keep going, see if we can find something interesting. This gave off mixed signals because it's got a bit of iron in it. Or is it some kind of latch? Would you detect this little dingly dell? Well, you never know, do you? Just got to make sure I don't smash the detector on the rocks. Take it steady. This is one of those absolutely banging signals, you know it's going to be something big. What do you think that is? It's like a decoration of a front of chest of drawers or something. Final signal, really good one, about 84 and screaming. But look, that's all it is. A lousy penny, I think. Yep.